Alright, so we're joining some speaker box wire and we're using 2.5 cable. We have a heat shrink and test a heat gun. So just want to make a quick video in how I join these wires, so at least it could help somebody. So what I did is I make a marking. So just rest the wire and mark, so when I'm cutting all the same size. So what I did is I tear away this wire a bit to get a little more length out of this. So I put on 2 heat shrink here. I double the heat shrink because I want a good protection here, and I put on a next one here. So when I done solder up, I'll fit back this wire in the housing and then put this over and heat shrink it for lock it off back. So and I put one over here for hold these 2 wires together, because what I use in 2 box, so this is gonna be coming off one box. So we're going into parallel, so the 2 black coming together, 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 gray. So what I did is, after peeling the wires them, I put all the wire together, and I got a piece of wire here that I put in all the strands, and if you could see, I put the 2 together here with this one, and I use the wire and I wrap them together so nothing can move when I solder in, and then I solder them together here. But what happened, the heat shrink was a little close, so it kind of started close up on me. So I never used heat shrink before, so I'm not gonna mistake on that one. So what I did is I kind of pull it back, put a piece of scotch tape to hold it so that the heat wouldn't be directly in front and cause this to happen. But that's no issue because it's kind of long, so you're gonna cover. Let's see, this is roughly like about an inch right in here. So I could have do it more short, but I want a proper join. I don't really want to lap it small and then get any problems. So this is it. So I gotta join all 4, and then I'm gonna pull the heat shrink over each, shrink it up, cover them, then pull this one over for cover up this tearaway that I put on the wire. And the tearaway is to get the space to accommodate this heat shrink, because if I've been dealing with a space as this, it couldn't work. So I had to tear back the wire here. So this is gonna push up and this one gonna cover here. So just a quick video in how I join these wires together. And if you're using 3 wire coming together as one, it's the same thing you could do. Just take a wire that gets strands like this, or even cable just like this here, but just wrap it around tight so it hold in place, and then you could drop your solder on everything so it's strong and good. Thank you for watching.